Playtime for Reagan. Did you find a bunny rabbit? Yeah? That's funny. And you found your lamb? Your bedtime lamb? Now what? Now what? So much. Say hi, stuffed animals. Say hi over there. And here we go. This is what I thought was going to happen. Yep. Got to take everything out. That one can stay, but that one has to go. Now it has to go. So get out of here. So get out of there. Get out of there. Now are you going to fold them and put them back? Yeah, that's what I thought. Say, no way. Can you wave? Say hi, everybody. Going to survey her accomplished work right there. And I think she's had a thought that this drawer over here has a lot of fun stuff in it, and all of that stuff needs to come out too, huh? Yep. You got a shoe? Do you have a shoe? Yeah. What else is in there? Flip-flops? Yeah, get those out. Those are some new shoes with tags. Yeah, we're going to wear those. We're going to wear those this spring. That's a yummy tag? You better not eat it. Okay. Just going to hold those in our mouth while we get some more shoes out. What's that? Reagan, what's that? It's another shoe. She said it's another shoe. You have a shoe! Oh, you're silly. And this is playtime with Reagan, which means cleanup time for Mom. But at least she's happy. Oh, weirdo. Are you just carrying them in circles, Silly Willy? We lost a shoe. Reagan. Reagan, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave to Grandma? It's her birthday tomorrow. Say, happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. Can you wave? Say happy birthday, Mum. I know she means it in her heart. Okay, bye-bye.